Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to draw arrow in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Basically, to draw an arrow we will need to have the line tool, or just draw in a line that you want, however the length that you want your arrow to be. So now I have my the start of my arrow, or the beginning of my arrow. So basically it will be a line, and then I'm going to edit the stroke. So here you want to define the width of your arrow, so you can have it like this, and you can also define the style of your arrow. For example, you can have it like this. And now after you draw your line, we will need to edit the head, or the bottom of our arrow, or just line, so in terms to make it as an arrow. So basically we will need to have this panel, which is the stroke panel. If you do not have it either in your properties or whenever, so you will need to go to the window menu, and then we will search for stroke. So basically when you go to the window, you go to the bottom here and you will find stroke, and you will have your menu that will appear like this, and you can put it here in your panel and just shrink it like this. And now I have my stroke here, and make sure that you are selecting your line, and basically I can define the starts in the end, and there are many defined arrow or defined shapes. So you can just like have it like this, for example, and then at the end give it something like this. So basically, and then you can just have like this, and resize and scale your image, and you can scale your you can scale the end and the start of your arrow however you want. So you can either have them linked and have the same scaling, or they can be independent on each other and have, for example, like this 15, and this one will be, for example, 20, and you will have something like this. Also, you can have like a double side arrow and have it like that. You can just do like this and have the same type of arrow. You can scale it however you want. For example, let's just give it 100, and make sure okay, it should be like this, and make it 100 again. Let's go back. So we do it like this, and now we are going to link in them, and you can start scaling them however you want. So basically now we have created our arrow, and you can also define again or edit again the type of your line and have the width that you want. So basically this is the easiest way to have or to create an arrow in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.